Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will learn how to participate in the IO.net coin. In order to participate, we will first come to the home page and then you will see that the trade. Come to the trade option. Now, search the FDUSD. I want to participate by FDUSD. I already made two videos on BNB and FDUSD, but this is the first video in English. So first of all, I have my dollars, $60, but the dollars are in the fund wallet. Therefore, I will convert it to the trading. So now I will buy the FDUSD. In order to buy, this is much stable than the BNB. Therefore, we want to buy the FDUSD. Now, as I have bought FDUSD, now you can see that there are FDUSD about $59. I have FDUSD. Now come to the home page. This is the home page. In the front screen and the display, you will see that IO Launchpad. If there is no IO Launchpad on the front screen, then you can search at the corner left side above. On the top side, you will come to the more services and tapping it, come to the earn section, and in the earn section, Launchpad option came. Now you can stack your FDUSD. By tapping the FDUSD, I will tap the stake option, FDUSD. Now they will say how much FDUSD you want to stake. I am saying that maximum. Maximum means I have 60, so I will put 59. Tapping on stake, successfully stack FDUSD. Okay, the FDUSD has been successfully stacked. Now you will see that there is a claim option, but this claim option will come when about 1 hour, means 60 minutes. So in order to check when will this option came on this, so about 46 minutes. After 46 minutes, the claim option will came. First, for the first time, the claim will, it is necessary to tap the claim option. Then in a day, one time a day, you can tap single time. But for the first time, you must tap or click that claim box so that your farming start. Now my farming has been started. I already made videos on the BNB and also the FDUSD, but I found out that on the FDUSD the percentage is very low, about 0.003 IO has been farmed in 1 hour on the $50 BNB, and about 0.002 IO coin has been farmed by the $50 FDUSD. So this is the difference. And now if you want to come shortcut way, then come to the home page and tap on this launchpad by tapping this option. So by tapping this option, come down and tap this option. As I have both I activated both, therefore I will put both option. Okay, here the claim option came, so I will harvest complete. Okay, Now after some time there will also claim option came, then I will claim. So this was so simply, and after about 20 hours you can participate in the trading also. Come to home page, and about 20 hour, and after about 20 hour their listing will start, and you can also participate in the trading of io.net. io.net is a good and high technology coin token, inshallah. So take advantages of this big chance. After about 20 hours you can also sell those coins which have you pumped.